Hello and welcome to the Benz Collector Sneek YouTube channel. I'm your host Martin and today I'm going to introduce you to the collection. But first, what is the Benz Collector Sneek? The Benz Collector Sneek is a group of enthusiastic people all sharing the same passion for Mercedes-Benz. What started out with a couple of cars quickly grew into something much bigger, with now currently 17 pieces and counting. We also have all kinds of body styles, from the four-door sedans till cabriolets and from coupes till limousines. Now, I can already hear yourself asking, what kind of special cars do they have? Well, for example, we have this AMG 6.0 wide body, SEC. Besides that, we also have this GLS Brabus with D40 package on it. And one of our daily drivers, the X-Class. In future videos we'll go into more detail about each specific car. We'll take you with us if we go to meetings, visits to the garage, visits to the detailer, and we'll talk about the current projects that are running. If you are interested and would like to know more about one of these specific cars, let us know in the comments down below, and please stay tuned for the next video.